Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I have one finished diamond painting to share with you. I recently finished this one in the month of February, and this was also a recent purchase from FGNormal. If you go back one of my most recent haul videos, I picked out this cute painting. I think he's absolutely adorable, and I wanted to work him up fast because I love the ones with the sayings in them. So with this one, in a world where you can be anything, be kind, it turned out perfect. I couldn't have asked for anything better. I did not do any modifications to those words at all. And I love how they're black and they stand out on the background. It is wood grain with some random butterflies. Some of the butterflies, like these two and these two, have grays in them, and the background has grays, so they really blend in. But honestly, I still think it turned out really awesome. This cat is so adorable with his eyes, and there's a butterfly on his nose and the flowers down at the bottom. There were 23 colors, 30 by 40. I did pay $3.49, and that is in pounds. Super sparkly. Quality was really great. No issues with the drills and lots of leftovers. You can see I even have like almost a full of one of these taupe colors that was in the background. So lots and lots of extras, and he turned out super sweet. I will put the link for you down below if you're interested. Hope you enjoyed that. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.